I'm going to show you guys what these lights in the back are. I think they're direction indicators. Well, let's see, when you go this way, you see it blinks to let you know I'm going left. Now I'm going the other way, and it blinks the other way to let you know I'm going right. So I don't see how I can see this differently. They're just direction indicators. So I don't see why you can think something else, because they're just two. Ow!
Handling is very simple. Just lean back to go backwards and lean forward to go forward.